attention. On your right, there's a new set of roads that they just built. Looks really nice. Imagine all the roads in Jamaica was like this. Oh man, that would be a dream. You know, your cars would be happy. On my way to downtown Kingston. Can't be in a rush when you come down here. Take your time. Enjoy the scenery. Air Jamaica building. Too bad there's no more Air Jamaica. It used to be one of my favorite airlines. Their food was really good. Scotia building. Bank of Nova Scotia. Bank of Jamaica building. Beautiful statue. Down there is very beautiful, this area. We're coming up on the Jamaica Conference Center. Really nice. The hot strip. Victoria Pier.